Thank you for allowing Roto-Ready Solutions to be a part of your regulatory compliant solution. This tutorial will show you how to update firmware from your ELD app. Tap the three menu bars at the top left corner. Tap Update Firmware. This will show you the plug-in serial number, the current firmware version, the version you are updating to, and the status of the update. Tap Update Firmware via BLE, which means Bluetooth. Once the process is complete, tap the back button, resume operations normally. Again, thank you for allowing Road-Ready Solutions to be part of your regulatory compliant solution.